Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we provide honest reviews of the latest tech products. Today, we have something truly remarkable, the Creality CR-M4. A massive 3D printer designed for those who want to print big. Let's delve into its features and see if it's worth the investment. Creality has entered the arena of bigger is better with the CR-M4. An enormous 3D printer that boasts industrial-grade components and comes with a premium price tag. This printer is so robust that Creality challenges you to print full-sized armor pieces or even dragons. However, it's important to consider the CR-M4's substantial size. It has a massive build volume of 450 by 450 by 470 mm, occupying nearly a full square meter of space. Make sure to measure your tabletop before bringing this beast home. If you're interested in creating large objects, such as cosplay armor, without the need to slice them into smaller pieces, the CR-M4 might be the perfect 3D printer for you. Creality provides an assembly video and a comprehensive manual to assist you in setting up the printer. Compared to other jumbo-sized printers we've reviewed, such as Anycubic's Cobra Max and Elegoo's Neptune Max, the CR-M4 stands out with its notable upgrades. The addition of smooth rolling steel linear rails on the Y-axis and a larger 800W power supply sets it apart. With a dual Z-axis, heavy-duty cable chains, and a Sprite direct drive, this printer can handle impressive 30 kg prints on its bed. Assembling the CR-M4 is relatively straightforward, although having a helper can be useful for connecting certain parts. Once set up, the printer's removable control screen proves handy for easy access. The spool holder is mounted on top, reducing the printer's width. But it's worth noting that it may not be suitable for extremely large spools due to potential strain and friction issues. While the CR-M4 features a 32-bit board and silent stepper motors, it's not the quietest printer due to its need for substantial cooling. The various connectivity options, including USB drive, USB-C cable, RJ45 cable, Wi-Fi, and LAN, provide flexibility for file transfer and control. In comparison to the Snapmaker Artisan, which is in a slightly different class with additional features and a higher price tag, the CR-M4 offers excellent print quality on its generously sized build plate. It provides a viable option for those looking to print large objects without compromising on quality. To sum it up, the Creality CR-M4 is a massive 3D printer with robust construction and the ability to create impressive prints. While it requires ample space and comes at a higher cost, it offers durability and reliability for serious makers. If you're specifically interested in printing large costume pieces or other sizable projects, this printer is worth considering. That concludes our review of the Creality CR-M4. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product reviews. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if there are other products you'd like us to review. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and remember to stay tech savvy.